to whichever it is for you from the beautiful Black Hills of South Dakota. Hi, I'm Faye Swinson, independent sales rep and national recruiter for Avon. And today I'm talking about campaign 5. And notice it says, get the power free. Is that awesome or what? Free means the full size of the power serum. Love this product. It will help boost all kinds of things, of the things that you are using, and it will also helps with hydration, smooth texture, radiance, firmness, lines and wrinkles will get diminished. So yeah, and what's kind of cool, you get it free when you buy the full size of any of the Ultimate, Platinum, the full size of the reversals, not the little ones, but the little ones are on sale, or the Vital. And in the Platinum, you also can put the Firm and Sculpt with it. So day, night, eye, Firm and Sculpt, or we have the regimen sets. Those count too, and you get the full size of the power serum. Is that awesome? You know me, I love skincare, so I always have to talk about it, and why not now? So if you've been thinking about it and haven't tried the new line, now is the time. Why not? I mean, this is normally $40 free. Okay, I'll get off my little soapbox of skincare. So I don't forget, you know me. This necklace, you see it now. Isn't that gorgeous? It is in the catalog. I showed it last time, but I didn't wear it, but I just love it. And this shirt, we have like all kinds of different patterns and things. I love butterflies, and we have the Greater Goods little flyer, and one of the things in the Greater Goods flyer is this butterfly necklace. It's a long one. I have it kind of popped up, but the Greater Goods one. So we have stuff for breast cancer and domestic violence. It's our fundraiser for that. And for every purchase during 2018, Avon is contributing 20% up to $1 million. And another thing that's in there, and I thought this would make a great Valentine's present. It's, here, I'll put it on view so you can see it. Love. It's a charm that you can put on your bags, and I've been carrying them in my bag for a while. But those are in there, and that would be a great Valentine's present. Look, I think they're like $4 this time. So yeah. Talking about Valentine's, something else that would be great is fragrances. And what's kind of cool in the catalog this time, we have fragrances, a fragrance personality. So make sure you check these out. It asks you some questions, and I'm one of those that, depending on what my mood is for the day, because our personalities change. Mine does. Maybe it's because I'm a Gemini. But in there, it will tell you which one. And what's kind of cool is in the catalog, it shows you if it's this fragrance is for romantics, or if it's for seductive, or for chick, or for more, or daring. And what's kind of cool, we also have it for the guys. And so the guys have a questionnaire for them as well, and it shows if they're modern, classic, bold, or suave. So there's men's and women's, and pretty much all of our different fragrances are on sale. So that's going to be a nice Valentine's present. And these cool necklaces, is this fun or what? Those come in like 4 different ones. There's stars and crosses and leaves and moons, and they're on sale for $7.99. So I want to make sure you notice that, because it just shows this right along the side. Those are the different kinds of necklaces that these come in. So yeah, that's kind of a fun one. Another thing that I have marked is candles. I have been into ginger stuff for a long time. Ginger is a very good product for our bodies, and so what not better to have it for your smells. But this one is a ginger zest candle, and we have like 4 there's 4 different candles that are out this time, and they are $11.99 a piece. We have almond shea butter, soft cotton and rose, the ginger zest, and then the rice flour vanilla. And they're $11.99. Some other things that are in, right back where I was at on those necklaces, I almost forgot to tell you. We also have these fun little charm necklaces. They come with these three different charms on them, and there's some for peace, love, serenity, and dream. And so depending on which one you want, we have those different ones. Lipstick. About every kind of lipstick is on sale this time. One of my must-haves is the Beyond Color lip conditioner. Our Beyond Color line has sunscreen in it, and so this time of the year when you're out with the sun and the intense snow, that will chap your lips. So put your sunscreen on. Why not put the lip conditioner on or our Beyond Color lipstick? They're on sale. Or make sure you keep them moisturized with our lip balms, and those are on sale for $1.29. So lipsticks I think are like $4.99, $4, $4.99, $5.99. And another cool thing that's on sale is our glimmer sticks, all the different kinds. 3 of them for $12. That's $4 a piece. Good time to stock up. Hand soaps. We have the most awesome hand soaps. They don't take a whole lot. We have them in vanilla, cucumber, melon, and pomegranate mango. They're on sale for like $3.49. And if you're like me, I love to take my relaxing bath. One of the great things to put in there is our bath salts. As you can see, I need to order some more. And they smell wonderful. These are from the Dead Sea, but all of our Planet Spa stuff is on sale. And so are our bubbles. And remember, bubbles, you can use bubbles for so many things other than just bubbles. And they are on sale 2 for $11. So that's a great deal too. A new product. It comes in quite a few different flavors. I got a couple of them. These are kind of fun. These are in the shower body lotions. What it means to do is you put your body wash on and do your scrub, and then you put that on, rinse, towel dry, and you've already moisturized yourself. Because this time of the year, you do get dried out. So yeah. Oh, so I don't forget. Notice these cool little buttons on Avon is went above and beyond, and so we have all these cool little buttons and accessories on our clothes. So yeah, love, love, love that. And Aspira. Have you tried Aspira? If not, I challenge you. This is our rich chocolate plant powder protein. You cannot say that fast. But we also have the creamy vanilla, and I've been making myself a healthy smoothie in the morning. You can make it with all kinds of different things, but on my business page here, I do have some different recipes that other reps have shared, as well as the one that I've been using, and I always add a little something else. Even I've added something to mine. So yeah, try those out. Those are towards the back of the catalog. So all kinds of different things to show you. Oh, bracelets. Also in the Greater Goods flyer, we have breast cancer bracelets. And then remember, we have these fun ones. Notice this. This one matches my shirt. And we can always back order 2 brochures. And so campaign 3, which has all the Aspira stuff at the very beginning, and our new spring clothesline is in the front of 4. And it's also in the back of campaign 5. And then our outlet. So check it out. Right now is a great time to get into becoming a nail on rep. So if you or anybody you know wants to think about doing that, let me know. I would love to share that opportunity. I do have a team page for our team on Facebook as well. So we have a group page with all kinds of files and good information. Love to share with you. Thanks, Faye Swenson, Independent Sales Rep and National Recruiter, Campaign 5. Have a great day.